Just a quick tutorial rundown on how to install these landing gear. You'll need a 2.5 and a 3mm ball and Allen wrench, and then the included screws that come with the landing gear. What you want to do is fold up your Alta X, flip it upside down on the table. Your GPS unit is right here away from you, and then just to double check, your XT90s are here in the bottom right hand corner, right in here. And what you want to do is put your landing gear brackets on the bottom left and top right corners, and you'll do this by removing the 4 screws in each location, replacing them with the 4 included screws, installing them with Loctite. Just for reference, in those corners it'll be these screws that you're removing. Just set those aside. I saved mine for later in case I need them. But once you've installed these two, it's simply just installing your rails, and they will go pretty much almost side to side in this configuration using these 4 screw holes. Once again, included screws and washers, install with Loctite. And you will notice with your 2.5mm, there's quite an angle on there. So if you don't use a ball end, you might strip out your screws or ruin your wrench. So just a little tip there. So once you've installed those, to install the feet, just grab your leg, line the paint marks, it'll locate with a little click. You can see it won't twist. And then you can go ahead and insert this and tighten until it's snug. And that really is all there is to it. Just once again, probably the most important thing, make sure you install these guys with Loctite or you might have some issues later.